In this video, we'll be revealing 5 beautiful destinations to visit in Netherlands. 1. Keukenhof Gardens. Located near Lisse, Keukenhof is one of the largest flower gardens in the world. It's particularly famous for its stunning displays of tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. The vibrant colors and meticulously landscaped gardens make it a must-visit, especially during the spring when the flowers are in full bloom. 2. Amsterdam. The capital city of the Netherlands is famous for its picturesque canals, historic buildings, and vibrant atmosphere. Take a stroll along the tree-lined canals, visit world-class museums like the Rijksmuseum and the Van Gogh Museum, and explore the charming neighborhoods such as Giethoorn and De Peep. 3. Giethoorn. Often referred to as the Venice of the North, Giethoorn is a picturesque village in the province of Overijssel. What makes Giethoorn unique is its network of narrow canals, quaint thatched roof houses, and charming bridges. Visitors can explore the village by boat or bicycle, enjoying the tranquil surroundings and scenic views. 4. Kinderdijk. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous for its iconic windmills. Located in the Alblasserwaard region, Kinderdijk features a picturesque landscape dotted with 19 historic windmills, which were originally built in the 18th century to drain excess water from the polders. 5. Hoge Veluwe National Park. For nature lovers, offers vast expanses of heathland, sand dunes, and dense forests. Located in the province of Gelderland, this pristine natural reserve is home to diverse wildlife, including red deer, wild boar, and foxes. Visitors can explore the park's network of hiking and cycling trails, visit the Kriller-Müller Museum, which houses an impressive collection of art and sculpture, and admire the serene beauty of the Dutch countryside. These 5 places offer immersive experiences, weaving history, nature, and culture into the fabric of unforgettable journeys.